Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's David with CMC Motorsports. I'm out here at Indian Motorcycle of Orange County with my friend Don. We just dropped the REY Backrest for Indian Touring along with the King Me luggage rack. And just like Indian motorcycles, it's 100% made in America. So come on out here and check them out. They'll take care of you. All right, so we just wrapped up here at Indian Motorcycle of Orange County. This is such a big deal. We've officially stepped into the Indian market, and it's just the beginning. There's a lot more to come. I'm so excited about this.